I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to be making two super easy, super delicious Ritz cracker Christmas cookie recipes. I have two special recipes I've been making all of my life, ever since I was a small child, and I cannot wait to share them with you today. The first recipe we're going to make is for peanut butter marshmallow chocolate covered Ritz cracker cookies. I have my supplies all ready for my first batch of Ritz cracker Christmas cookies. We're going to need Ritz crackers, of course. They're the best. They don't break very easily. And I need some marshmallow cream, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, or any chocolate you like, some sprinkles to decorate with, and of course, some peanut butter. I've been making this recipe since I was a child every Christmas, but of course it's good any time of the year. The first thing I'm going to do is take the cookie and put the dimple side up. I'm going to spread on just a little bit of peanut butter, not too much because we don't want it to squeeze out when we put the cookie together. Then I'm going to take another one and put just a little bit of marshmallow cream. However, you could put one or the other. You don't have to put both. I'll just spread it right on the side with the little dimples. That way when I put it together, we don't have the dimples showing through the chocolate after we've dipped the cookie in the chocolate. We'll put this aside on our parchment or wax paper lined tray, and we'll get on to the next one. After we have a good bit of these made, it'll be time to melt our chocolate and dip them in the semi-sweet or dark or milk chocolate, whatever you prefer. I find that an offset spatula works wonderful with this, but of course you could use a butter knife, or you could even use the back of a spoon to spread on the peanut butter and marshmallow cream. I have about a cup here of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to put these in the microwave for 30-second intervals. I'll put them in for 30 seconds, stir them, and put them back in for another 30 seconds, and stir them again, and then we should be ready to dip our cookies. After 30 seconds, our little chocolate chips are nice and melty. They're getting nice and soft. We'll just take our little Christmas spatula and mix them up. I just took our chocolate chips out of the microwave for the second time, so they went in a total of 60 seconds, two 30-second intervals. Now I'll get them mixed up. Remember, your bowl could be very hot when you take it out of the microwave, and I have found the best thing to use is just to use two forks. So just take the first little cookie and drop it right in the chocolate. Press it down, then flip it over. And I like to use a nice deep bowl instead of a shallow bowl. This works really well. I'll lift it out, and then I'm just going to lightly swipe the extra chocolate right off the top. I'll make it nice and smooth, and I'll get that extra chocolate off. I'll take it and just wipe it right over the edge of the bowl to take the extra chocolate off the bottom. And now it's time to put it on our tray lined with wax paper. Once you put it on the tray, be sure to put the toppings or sprinkles, anything you want to decorate with, on right away. That way it sticks really nicely in the fresh, warm chocolate. Okay, now on to the next one. Here are our wonderful little Ritz cracker marshmallow peanut butter cookies. We'll take these and put them in the refrigerator and let them set up. These peanut butter marshmallow cookies will be so delicious, but let's get on to the next one. It's just as delicious, mint chocolate Ritz cracker marshmallow cream filled cookies. Now let's get on to making our second Ritz cracker cookies. I have some marshmallow cream, Ritz crackers, and some chocolate mint chips. I have my marshmallow cream, and I'm just going to take my spatula and put a little bit right on the dimple side of the Ritz cracker. I'll push these two together with the marshmallow cream in between. I'm just going to keep on going, and then it'll be time to melt our mint chips. Remember to put the dimple side in so you have a nice smooth surface on the outside. I have my mint chips here. These are just like chocolate chips that you can buy at the grocery store, only they're mint flavored, and these are in little slivers instead of little chips. I'm going to get these in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'll just give these a little stir. As you can see, they're starting to melt. And then after I stir them up, I'll put them back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, just like I did with the chocolate chips. They were in another 30 seconds, and now I'm going to mix them up. I've also added some chocolate chips to a bowl and put those in the microwave. And now I'm going to put those in as well. I've already mixed them up, and they're all melty. So I'm going to add the little bit of chocolate into this batch as well. And then I'll mix the two together. This is just semi-sweet chocolate chips. I melted them for 30 seconds in the microwave and stirred them up. I'll get both of these incorporated and then we'll get busy dipping our cookies. It's nice and smooth. Let's get dipping. And of course, once again, we're going to be using forks to dip our little cookies. Just put it right in there, push it down and flip it over. Then make sure you coat the entire little cookie with the wonderful chocolate mixture. Swipe off the extra and set it on the tray. I'm going to add some little shards of this chocolate. And here's what our wonderful little mint Ritz cracker cookies look like. I'll get these to the refrigerator. These cookies are so delicious and so easy, and everybody absolutely loves them. In fact, I've never known anyone to not come back for seconds. I'm so glad I was able to share these recipes in hopes that you might give these a try and realize just how easy and delicious they are. They're perfect for the holiday season. I would be so happy if you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas. And here's how the wonderful little Ritz Cracker Mint cookies turned out. These chocolate covered cookies are wonderful. And of course, the peanut butter marshmallow cream